Imagine waking up 10 years from now and realizing that the $100 sitting in your wallet today could have been the start of a life-changing investment journey. Most people think investing is only for the rich. They believe you need thousands of dollars before you can start building wealth. But that's completely wrong. Some of the world's most successful investors started with very little money. The secret isn't how much you start with, it's starting as early as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would invest my first $100 in 2026 if I had to start from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap for turning a small amount of money into a powerful wealth-building machine. Let's begin.
Number 1. Why $100 is enough. Many people delay investing because they think, I'll start when I have $1,000. Then it becomes, I'll start when I have $10,000. Years pass and they never begin. The biggest mistake isn't investing incorrectly, it's never investing at all. Consider two people. Person A starts investing $100 per month at age 20. Person B starts investing $500 per month at age 30. Even though person B invests much more money, person A often ends up wealthier because of one powerful force: compound growth. Money grows, then the growth grows, then the growth of the growth grows. That's how wealth is created.
Number 2. The biggest mistakes beginners make. Before investing a single dollar, let's avoid common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Chasing quick riches. Everyone wants the next big thing. The next Bitcoin, the next meme stock, the next overnight millionaire story. Most people lose money doing this. Mistake number 2. Following social media gurus. Many influencers earn more money from views than from investing. Never invest solely because someone on TikTok or YouTube told you to. Mistake number 3. Waiting for the perfect time. Nobody can predict markets perfectly. Chapter 3. My first investment allocation. 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. If I only had $100 today, here's exactly how I'd divide it. $60. Broad market ETFs. This would be the foundation. Instead of betting on one company, I'd own hundreds. Examples include S&P 500 tracking funds, total market funds, global index funds. Benefits: lower risk, instant diversification, long-term growth. $20. Technology sector. Technology continues driving innovation. Areas include artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, semiconductors. These industries may shape the next decade. $10. Dividend investments. Dividend-paying companies provide regular cash payments. Benefits: passive income, stability, long-term compounding. Chapter 4. Why diversification matters. Imagine putting your entire $100 into one company. If that company fails, your investment could disappear. Now imagine owning 500 companies. Even if some fail, others succeed. Diversification is one of the most powerful investing tools available. The goal isn't getting rich overnight. The goal is staying in the game long enough to win. Chapter 5. The power of compound growth. This is where investing becomes exciting. Let's say you invest $100. Then add $100 every month. Assume an average annual return of 10%. After 10 years, approximately $20,000 plus. 20 years, approximately $75,000 plus. 30 years, approximately $220,000 plus. Not because you became a genius investor, because you stayed consistent. The richest investors understand patience better than anyone else. Chapter 6. What I would never invest in.
There are certain investments I'd avoid. Penny stocks. Cheap doesn't mean valuable. Many penny stocks exist because they're poor businesses. Get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises guaranteed returns, run. No legitimate investment guarantees huge profits. Investments you don't understand. If you cannot explain how something makes money, don't invest in it. Understanding always comes before investing.
Chapter 7. Building Wealth with Just $100 per Month. Let's make this realistic. Most people can eventually save $100 monthly. That's skipping a few restaurant meals, cutting unnecessary subscriptions, reducing impulse purchases. Small sacrifices today create major rewards tomorrow. Remember, wealth is rarely built through one huge decision. It's built through thousands of small decisions.
Chapter 8. The Mindset of Successful Investors. Successful investors think differently. When markets fall, most people panic. Investors get excited. Why? Because assets become cheaper. They see opportunities where others see fear. The stock market transfers wealth from impatient people to patient people. Patience is an investment skill. Final chapter. My exact plan if I were starting today. If I woke up tomorrow with only $100, Step 1, open an investment account. Step 2, invest $60 into a broad market index fund. Step 3, invest $20 into technology-focused investments. Step 4, invest $10 into dividend-paying companies. Step 5, invest $10 into higher risk opportunities. Step 6, add money every month. Step 7, ignore daily market noise. Step 8, stay invested for years. Simple. Not exciting, but effective. Outro. Most people spend their lives waiting for the perfect opportunity. Successful investors create opportunities by starting early. Your first $100 won't make you rich, but it can teach you habits that eventually do. The greatest investment isn't the money itself. It's becoming the type of person who consistently invests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for